I am expecting a impulsive downward move now after this retest. Let us see what happens. This looks the formation of bearish box that falls heavily. This kind of boxes are also bullish also, but at the stop level, I am considering that downward move from here. Though I was considering these 5 minutes is excellent, but it didn't happen. But now I'm expecting a very fast move to the downward. Let us see what happens. It's too dangerous to try to catch the top or bottom, but I sometimes do try. But let us see what happens this time. Whether I am right or wrong, the time is not too far to prove me either right or wrong. After this hour, there is a new day, so it is very important to have these stop losses because market opens either below or up. You don't know what will happen if after this hour the day ends and the market can open. We don't know how much high or how much low, so it is always better to have stop losses. Though according to my this uh, equity, the risk management is not that good. Still, I have at least stop loss to save my account. Is this minute going to be the downward move? I don't know what will happen because, but I'm expecting so. Anything can happen. So I have my stop loss in place to for the survival of this account. But this could be the downward move from here because when that 1 minute is very important, that proves to be the downward move. I don't know what will that be, but that setup on the 1 minute time frame it looks like this. Either it is same or this is my expectation. Whatever it is, the market move is going to prove it today or tomorrow. We won't have to wait too much. Even market can open below or up. This is the last hour of the day, so we don't know what will happen now. But these minutes are very important. So it is going up. Let us see what happens. These 1 minute setups are very important. So let us see what happens. If these levels are broken upward, then there is a clean range looking. It can happen also. Oh, my all positions are gone in loss. All our three gold positions are in loss. Now, what happens? Is it going to be thrown downward or up? Let us see what happens. Looking like it is going to be favorable for me. This is going to be a strong downward move. Let us see what happens. Because gold neither go directly up, neither falls directly. While it makes it up, then falls while going up. And when it goes up, it does not happen that it goes directly. First it makes it up, then retests it. It falls from high and goes up from the low. So I don't know what is expected, but there is something I'm feeling. How I have market has nothing to do with my feelings, but these are all the setups. I think I have found. I don't know. It could stop me out. Actually, I wanted to come live for many years, but the issue was the internet connection. Now, first time I have got this good internet in this countryside, so I'm live with you, and I will try to keep coming live. So you are requested to join me and like my this stream. Whether you are watching right now, whether you watch this in the future, whatever it is, you like my this stream and whatever your thoughts are, share with me. So let us see what happens. Is the market going up heavily, breaking the high? Anything can happen because yes, it looks like it's going to stop me out. I don't know. It has come so far that So this is the 1 minute time frame, and these are losses. Market is consolidating in the 1 minute time frame. These 1 minute consolidations on the gold are very meaningful to the downward move or to the upward move. They are very important. So let us see. Now this yes, I think it is coming down. Yes, it is coming down. I think so because these minutes, these are the consolidation on 1 minutes are very decisive. It could go either way. This is not, but this kind of setup is very decisive for the gold to decide its next direction. So, what direction these 1 minute time frame consolidation are important? See these 5 minutes 1, 2, 3, 4. For 20 minutes, this is consolidating in a small range, and this is going to be very decisive. In this scenario, these 1 minute ranges are decreased, and market takes a turn. It's going up. Okay, okay. Let us see what does it do. As I have got in the straight, so I'm not closing my positions. Let us see the chart. Close this tab. Is this going to be the decisive 1 minute? Let us wait with me, bear with me. What that move is going to be up or down? Because these are all the probabilities, nothing more than that. But it's going up. I don't know. It's showing both sides. On these 5 minutes says VIX 2, and this says VIX to the upside. So let us see what this small range 5 minute consolidation going to result in. Be huge to either sides. it will be very, it will be to either side. To the down, this is going to be very decisive. Looks like it is going into my, yeah, downward move. This movement in the looks like the impatience of sellers and buyers. I think this is now they are going to compete in selling. I don't know, or they are going to compete in buying, but I think Why I'm expecting such move to the downward? At least the first move we are expecting is 44,722. Here we have the mixing of the. Here we have the references mixed. Here there is a distance between references. Still we have two references here, so it could be broken with. But if the market breaks this level to the downward, if it is breaking 4,653, we expect this come down to this level. Here we have only one reference. So let us see what happens. But up to this level, the market has nothing to do with. There is no issue. But here, still we have two references here. What is the reference? It is that market. Okay, let us see 1 minute. 1 minute show. So these are the levels. This level, I think, will be broken to the downward. That will not take too much. But here we have the okay. Here we have many 1 hour references. So this level is also not strong. One, how many references we have? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 7, 8 hours. So this is also not the strong level to hold. And what level do we have that is strong? Okay, let us see on the 1 hour time frame. We don't have this strong level. And let us see what happens here. If the market is able to break this, then it could go near this level. So let us see what happens. We don't have the strong levels to the downward. And one that this level is a bit stronger. But how many hours we have of still these are also breakable. So market could come down to this level and consolidate and break to the upward. But it is high probability that this level will also be retested. Once this is broken to the downward, this is not far away. But I think it is coming down. And I have caught the downward beginning of the downward trend. What levels I am looking at? I don't think that gold could come here, but it this is the important level on the daily time frame. What level is this? Oh, so deep. Will gold be able to break this to the downward? I don't know, but this is expected to be broken to the downward. These setups are made on the are made on the shorter time frames, but now this will be broken. I don't know about this. It is looking a nice setup on the 15 minutes time frame. A nice downward setup. At least I'm expecting it to be so. So now let us see what is going to be the close of the day. The day could open below. I don't know because gold has been doing this frequently. Most of the time, it has opened from top. Even today, it could go and open from the top, but I'm expecting it downward, either in this last hour, or it could open below this and keep going downward. Anything can happen. Gold has been so violent, so heavy movements. As since when it has gone so far in the uptrend, it has also become very volatile because it has before coming up, it went down to 4,535 also. So we can expect to the revisit of this that or either it go up and cross the 4,800. I was expecting this move either up to 4,750 or 4,815 or 20 or 25. So maybe it has completed high or it will go up to 4,850. Oh no, not 20 or 20, but I feel it has completed its low. Oh, it has completed its high. I don't know. We don't have an issue. We can find anything today because stops are very nearby. Either it opens after the completion of this hour, next hour is the opening of the new day. So it could open either way. Even the last 15 minutes of the day are also very important. We have 20 minutes to go to complete the day. Just live stream will keep me updated with these kind of setups. This is the box that I'm talking about. Now it looks the same type of boxes we have in some are bullish, some are bearish. This is, I think, is bearish. Now if this is broken to the this wick is broken to the downward, this could result in a heavy fall. Or it could go up. I because these setups are frequent happening, but they result in both ways. So I don't know that what is this going to be like. But whatever I consider it, I have already opened my positions. I did not close any profit here. Sometimes this happens in favor, sometimes this goes against. Market makes many types of highs and lows. Now, for example, we take this high, this was the low, this was the high, this is the low, and this is the high, and now coming for the next low. And if we count from here, this is the low of the market. So the high of the market, this is low of the market. But I'm considering from the top to the down. It could be either way. Is this bullish box? But this live stream will be on the record. It would prove itself what kind of this box is, either bearish or bullish. These 15 minutes are very, two 15 minutes, because now if breaks it to the upward, then market will move sharply. Or this. So we will have to watch this because these short range 15 minutes are when best to the either side. They move very fast. In these kind of setups, it is better to wait for the consolidation for the short range 15 minutes. Then, oh, it's breaking to the upward. Yes, yes. This is going to my stop loss. It was stop loss. Maybe this burst out to the upward. Should I close my positions? What the loss I have? Once it touches the high, I should close the positions. Let us see. If breakout happens, then I should close my positions manually. I should wait. Now I'm not closing my position, but I don't expect this setup now to be downward because now this could still we hold the high, but let us see what happens. I have my stops in place. Market moves in a such a way that we change our mind. So I'm not changing my mind, but still waiting for its move to the down or up. Panicking is not the solution. Whatever loss that you must accept. But before that, a trader must not panic because then he would be what would he be doing? Now I think it could break up, but I should wait. In this scenario, I think this level was very important. I don't know. Still, we have this could be the left side. What could I say now? But let us see what happens. But these low time frame or low range boxes are very important. Now, what happens? Either it breaks to both sides. It could break to the up and then down. I don't know. But most of the time, forget things because this is a breakout to the upward. Even this could open now to the upside. I don't know. This could be retest of this left shoulder. I don't know. First came here, then came down, went a bit up. With 4 minutes to close, and this can result in market opening from the upward. I don't know, but where should I adjust my stop losses? Okay, still we have rejection on the 5 minutes. 15 minutes, still we have rejection. Yes. Is this the upward? Anything we'll know once it will be confirmed that what kind of breakouts these 15 minutes do. Yes. Watch here, 15 minutes. What are 15 minutes are these? And we have many many wicks they can broken easily. Yes, it is. Yes, going upward. 5 minutes, within 5 minutes. I think market has closed now. This is the day close. Oh, fine. This is the 4 hour close. Nothing that looking convincing. So this support, we can expect either opening. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming as the market opens. We'll see what happens next. Now how do I close this? How do I close this? How do I close this? End stream.